Precision pour. Innovative and simple dilution control. Dilution control lets you optimize cleaning performance while lowering costs through avoiding product overuse. However, dilution control equipment is costly, installations can be difficult, and closet space is sometimes limited. These complications can be eliminated by utilizing the patented Precision Pour container. Precision Pour features a single chamber for measured dilutions up to 1 ounce. These measurements are marked in half-ounce increments for the most accurate dilutions. The translucent bottle is not only portable, but allows the end user to monitor product level. This innovative bottle delivers dilution control through 4 simple steps. 1. Open the container. 2. Squeeze until product is at desired level. 3. Pour into bottle or mop bucket. 4. Add water. So there you have it. Cost effective, simple and precise. Precision Pour is dilution control without the complications of equipment.